Get this enjoy, very delicious and easy to get done. It tastes guys, look at the fish guys, the fish cooks so perfect and you can have something like this. Hi sweetie, welcome back. So let's prepare this fresh fish with rice. So first of all, get the fish cooked. Add in water, add in garlic, add in hot pepper, add in rice and leaf, add in chicken cube, add salt to taste, stir and cover this to cook. Over here I'm going to be needing crayfish. Add that over this bowl. So this one is good to go. Add in water to get that wash. Just wash until it come out perfect to use. Here I'm needing green and red bell pepper. Add in water to get that wrist. Just twist it a little bit like this. Add in the pepper mix in a food processor, then get everything processed. Doing this, don't add in water, just cover that to blend. Remove this. Add the pepper over here. I'm needing onions, just get that slice. I make use of 2 onions. Blend it along with the crayfish. The onions and crayfish in a separate plate like this. Here we have the fish already cooked. Separate the fish from the stock like this. Allow the fish to cook very nice like this and keep it aside. Keep the stock water aside because we are going to use it. In this pan I'm adding oil, adding garlic paste, adding pepper, stir together. Adding the yellow bell pepper and green bell pepper. Adding the crayfish. Keep this aside. Stir together. Season with chicken cube. Adding scent leaf. Adding salt. Stir. Adding the washed rice. Now you get that stir fry like 2 minutes before you proceed. 2 minutes later you have something like this. Add in the fish stock. Add cooking water. Add in pala fish. Add the remaining crayfish. Stir together. Just add the water that will enable the rice to cook like this. Cover to cook. Food is ready. Stir together like this. It cooks so perfect. See how gorgeous this looks. Very easy and delicious. Add in the fish on top of it like this. Stir everything together. First of all, allow your fish to cook 100% before you can bring it out. Now you are going to allow this to get simmer for 5 minutes and then serve. 5 minutes later, it's ready to enjoy. This is the best way to get this enjoy. Very delicious and easy to get done. Now it tastes guys, look at the fish guys, the fish cooks so perfect and you can have something like this. You can also try this for the weekend, it's going to serve you. I love you guys. In my next one. Bye.